This is B. Madhuri, Physical Science CRT, KGBV Mandasa, Srikakulam District. Stay home, stay safe, and save Earth. Due to this corona pandemic, we are all are staying home only. Don't come outside. If you want to come outside, if it is necessary, just come outside. Whenever you going to outside, just wear a mask and always sanitize. A big salute to corona warriors. First of all, a big salute to our corona warriors like police, scientists, lab assistants, doctors, workers, and media. These are all doing very hard work for preserving ourselves healthy. So, my big salute to all corona warriors. Stay protected, corona. Always stay protected from corona. Wear a mask properly and frequently wash your hands. Going to outside anything touch, just wash your hands and soap always. Maintain a social distance and safe distance and be safe, no careless. And there is a wear a mask always. Today I am going to teach about lesson acids, bases and salts from 10th class. Good morning children. How are you? I hope you are all safe. Today lesson acids, bases and salts. Introduction. Acid is a word derived from the Latin word acidus. It means sour. Usually, we call any substance that has a sour taste. Base. The substance that has bitter taste and slippery to touch. Salts. A substance which is formed as a result of the neutralization reaction between an acid and base. The acids are sour to taste and turn blue litmus to red. Bases are soapy to touch and turn red litmus to blue. There are many natural material like litmus. Extract of red cabbage, turmeric solution and extract of colored petals of some flower contains dye molecules or weak acid or bases. Turmeric solution. Extract of red cabbage, turmeric solution and extracts of colored petals of some flowers contain dye molecules or weak acids or bases. Let us do one activity. Chemical properties of acids and bases. Response of various laboratory substance which indicators. Procedure. Collect the following chemicals from the science laboratory. First one, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, acidic acid CH3COOH, sodium hydroxide NaOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH2, magnesium hydroxide MgOH2, ammonium hydroxide NH2OH, potassium hydroxide KOH. Prepare dilute solutions of the respective substances. Take 4 watch glasses. Put 1 drop of the first solution in each one of them and test the solution. Dip the blue litmus paper in the first watch glass. Dip the red litmus paper in the second watch glass. Add a drop of methyl orange to the third watch glass. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein to the fourth watch glass. Observation. Observe the respective color changes. Sample solution: red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, phenolphthalein solution, methyl orange solution. HCl unchanged, turns to red, colorless, turns finished red color. H2SO4 unchanged, turns to red, colorless, turns pinkish red color. HNO3 unchanged, turns to red, colorless, turns to pinkish red color. CH3COOH unchanged, turns to red, colorless, turns pinkish red color. NaOH turns to blue, unchanged, red or pink, remains yellow. KOH turns to blue, unchanged, red or pink, remains yellow. MgOH2 turns to blue, unchanged, red or pink, remains yellow. NH4OH turns to blue, unchanged, red or pink, remains yellow. CaOH2 turns to blue, unchanged, red or pink, remains yellow. What do you conclude from the observation noted in the table? Conclusion. In low pH values, the indicators show red color, and in high pH color is yellow. Which of sample solution are acidic and which are basic? Acids: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH. Bases: NaOH, KOH, MgOH2, NH4OH, CaOH2. Lab activity. Aim: reactions of acids with metals. Required materials: test tube, delivery tube, glass throw, candle, soap water, dilute HCl, zinc granules. Procedure: set the operators as shown in figure. Take about 10 ml of dilute HCl in a test tube and add a few zinc granules to it. We will observe the formation of gas bubbles on the surface of zinc granules. Pass the gas being evolved through the soap water. Gas-filled bubbles are formed in the soap solution which rise into the air. Bring a burning candle near the gas-filled bubble. The gas present in a soap bubble burns with a pop sound. Result: only hydrogen gas burns making a pop sound. So, we will notice that gas evolves is H2 gas. Chemical reaction. Acids plus metal to give salt plus hydrogen. 2HCl which is in aqueous state plus Zn which is in solid state to gives ZnCl2 which is aqueous state plus H2 which is gas state. Additional experiment. Repeat the above experiment with H2SO4 and HNO3. We observe same observation of HCl experiment. Conclusion. From the above activities, we can conclude that when acids reacts with metal, H2 gas is evolved. Lab activity. Aim to show the reaction bases with metal. Required material: test tube, delivery tube, glass rod, candle, soap water, sodium hydroxide solution, zinc granules. Procedure: take about 10 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube. Add a few granules of zinc metal to it. Ohm the contents of the test tube. Chemical reaction: base plus metal to gives salt plus hydrogen. 2NaOH plus Zn to gives Na2ZnO2 sodium zincates plus H2. Note: such reactions are not possible with all metals. Activity 5. Neutralization reaction. Aim to test tube change the of color in the reaction of an acid with a base. Required materials. First one, 1.2 ml of dilute NaOH solution. Second one, phenolphthalein indicator solution. Third one, dilute HCl hydrochloric acid solution. Procedure: take about 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube. Add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution. Observation: it turns to red to pink color that NaOH is a base. Experiment: dilute HCl solution to the above solution drop by drop. Observation: pink color disappear due to the neutralization of NaOH with HCl acid. Experiment: now add 1 or 2 drops of NaOH to the above mixture. Observation: pink color appears on adding NaOH. Chemical reaction: NaOH plus HCl gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. Base plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. Result: this reaction is called a neutralization reaction. Activity 6. Reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker. Add dilute HCl slowly while stirring. Copper oxide dissolves in dilute HCl and the solution becomes bluish green color due to the formation of copper chloride. Equation: metal oxide plus acid 2 gives salt plus water. Result: this reaction is same as the reaction of base with the acid. So that is neutralization reaction. Reaction of non-metallic oxide with a base. Take a small amount of calcium hydroxide, add CO2 into it. Salt and water are produced. Equation: non-metallic oxide plus base 2 gives salt plus water. Result: it is a neutralization reaction. Procedure: prepare glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid solutions. Fix 2 iron graphite rods on a rubber cork and place the cork in a 100 ml beaker. Connect 2 different colored electrical wires to graphite rods separately as shown in the figure. Connect free ends of the wire to 230 volts AC plug. Complete the circuit as shown in the figure by connecting a bulb to one of the wires. Now pour some dilute HCl in the beaker and switch on the current. Observation: the bulb starts glowing. Repetition: repeat the activity with dilute sulfuric acid, glucose and alcohol solutions separately. Observation: the bulb glows only in acid solutions, but the bulb not glows in glucose and alcohol solutions. Result: glowing of bulb indicates that there is a flow of electric current through the solution. Acid solutions have ions and the movement of these ions in solution helps for flow of electric current through the solution. Conclusion: the positive ion present in HCl solution is H plus. This suggests the acids produce hydrogen ions H plus in solution which are responsible for their acidic properties. In glucose and alcohol solution, the bulb did not glow, indicates the absence of H plus ions in these solutions. The acidity of acids is attributed to the H plus ions produced by them in solutions. Properties of bases. What do bases have in common? Using alkali such as sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide solutions, etc., instead of acid solutions. Does the bulb glow? No, the bulb does not glow. What do you conclude from the result of this activity? Acids are good conductors of electricity and not bases. Activity 10. Strength of acid or base. Take dilute HCl in a beaker, close it with a cardboard and introduce two different color electrical wires through the holes made on it. Connect a bulb and make the connection as shown in figure. In the same way, replacing dilute HCl with dilute CH3COOH acidic acid. Observation: the bulb glows brightly in HCl solution while the bulb intensity is low in the acidic solution. Result: more ions are present in HCl solution, which is a strong acid, than in CH3COOH solution, acetic acid solution. So, which is a weak acid. pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. pH value of a solution is simply a number which indicates the acidic and basic nature of the solution. The pH of neutral solutions is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent as acidic solution. The pH value increases from 7 to 14. It represents a decrease in H3O plus ion concentration or an increase on OH minus ion concentration in the solution. pH value of solution above 7 represents a basic solution. Activity 11: acid, neutral, alkali. Strong, weak, weak, weak. pH values as shown by different colors in universal indicator. Serial number, solution, color pH paper, approximate pH value, nature of substances. First one, HCl, blue litmus, smaller than 7, acid. Second one, CH3COOH, blue litmus, less than 7, acid. Third one, NH4Cl, phenolphthalein, 7, salt. Fourth one, CH3COONA, phenolphthalein, 7, salt. Fifth one, NaHCO3, red litmus, greater than 7, mild on corrosive base. Sixth one, Na2CO3, red litmus, 10.5, mild non-corrosive base. Seventh one, NaOH, red litmus, 14, base. Eighth one, distill H2O, phenolphthalein, 7, neutral. Ninth one, lemon juice, blue litmus, 2.2, acid. 10th one, carrot juice, blue litmus, 5 and 6, mild acidic. 11th one, coffee, blue litmus, 5, mild acidic. Tomato juice, blue litmus, 4, acid. 13th, tap water, phenolphthalein 6 to 8 neutral. 14th one, banana juice, blue litmus 5 mild acidic. 15th one, colorless drink, phenolphthalein 6 to 8 mild acid or nearly neutral. Saliva, blue litmus 5.5 to 6.9 mild acidic. Saliva after meal, blue litmus 5.5 to 6.9 mild acidic. Activity 12. Procedure. Take dilute HCl in a beaker. Add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator to it. The solution color turns to red. Now take the same solution and mix antacid tablet powder. Observation. Check the color change. The color of the solution turns to light yellow. Chemical equation. 2HCl plus MgOH2 gives MgCl2 plus 2H2O. Family of salts. Activity 13. Procedure. Take a little of soil in a test tube. Add 5 ml distilled water to it. Shake the contents and collect the filter in a test tube. Result. Using universal indicator, we can check the pH of the filtrate. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of a mild base like baking soda on the sting area gives relief. Stinging hair of leaves of nettle plant injected methanoic causing burning pain. Dog plant. A traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of the dog plant grows besides the nettle in the wild. More about salts. Base plus acid to gives salt plus water. The neutralization reaction of the base with an acid. Activity 14. Serial number, name of the salt, formula. First one, potassium sulfate K2SO4. Second one, sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Third one, calcium sulfate CaSO4. Fourth one, magnesium sulfate MgSO4. Fifth one, copper sulfate CuSO4. Sixth one, sodium chloride NaCl. Seventh one, sodium nitrate NaNO3. Eighth one, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Ninth one, ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals belong to a family. Example: NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. pH of salts: salt, pH, acidic, basic, neutral. Sodium chloride: 7, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. Ammonium chloride: 7, hydrochloric acid, Al2O3. Copper sulfate: less than 7, H2SO4, CuO. Sodium acetate: 7, acetic acid, sodium hydrate. Ammonium chloride: 7, HCl, ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydrogen carbonate: greater than 7, ammonia plus CO2. Sodium carbonate: greater than 7, NaHCO3. Dear students, due to corona, in this lesson, some of the portion was deleted. So, now we have to discuss some of the points on think and discuss. So, dear students, all of you open your PS textbooks. See the page number 25. Now we have to discuss think and discuss. First question: is the substance present in antacid tablet acidic or basic? What type of reaction takes place stomach when antacid tablet is consumed? Answer. Now we have to discuss answer. Our stomach walls produced gastric juice along with a small amount of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of the food. HCl acts as a medium for the enzymes. Third point. When we eat very spicy food for due to tension, the stomach wall produce a large amount of HCl which leads to acidity of stomach. This condition also called indigestion. Indigestion painful and cause irritation. If it is not controlled, it can damage the wall of the stomach. It can cause stomach ulcers. Fourth point. In order to cure indigestion, we take mild bases called antacids, mean antacids, such milk of magnesia, MgOH2, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, which helps in the neutralization of the excessive acid. This gives relief to the person suffering from indigestion. Next, page number 26. Think and discuss questions. You are provided with 3 test tubes containing distilled water, an acid and a base solution respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how do you identify the contents of test tube? Answer. First one, put the red litmus paper in all the test tubes turn by turn. The solution which turns red litmus to blue will be a basic solution. The blue litmus paper formed here can now be used to test the acidic solution. Second one, Put the blue litmus paper obtained above in the remaining two test tubes one by one. The solution which turns the blue litmus paper to red will be the acidic solution. Third point. The solution which has no effect on any litmus paper will be neutral and hence it will be distilled water. Third question. Which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with a metal? How will you test for the presence of this gas? Answer. Usually, acids generate hydrogen gas on reacting with metals. Test. When a burning splinter is brought near to the gas filled bubble, you will notice gas evolved will burn with pop sound. This test proves that the gas is H2 gas. Next page 13. Think and discuss questions. Fifth question. Why do HCl, HNO3, etc. show acidic character in aqueous solution while solution of compound like C2H5OH and glucose do not show acidic character? Answer. HCl, HNO3, etc. ionize in the aqueous solution to produce H plus ions. Hence, they show acidic character compounds like C2H5OH and glucose do not hydrogen present in them is non-ionizable, hence they do not show acidic character. Sixth question. While diluting an acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to the water and not water to the acid? Answer. First point. When water is added to acid, there is sudden rise in temperature with explosion due to exothermic nature. And the acid being present in bulk, it gets spill on your body and clothes. Second point. When an acid is added to water, the water is in bulk and the acid being heavier settle down and the heat evolves is dissipated in the water itself and hence the spurting of the liquid is minimized. Third point. For this reason, it is recommended that acid should be added to the water in small amounts with stirring to the dilute the concentrated acid. Next page 33. Think and discuss questions. Seventh question. What will happen if pH value of chemicals in our body increases? Answer. When pH value of chemicals in our body increases, then the body will be affected by some problems. They are: first one, digestion problems rise in the stomach. Second one, pH changes cause tooth decay. Third one, enzymatic action decreases. Fourth one, physiological and biological process disturbed. Fifth one, food cannot be digested. Eighth question, why do living organisms have narrow pH range? First point, to maintain body physiological process in normal way by regulating enzymes. Second point, most living organisms can survive in the narrow pH range if it is fluctuates too much organism can't. Third point, pH range of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. If pH below 7.35, leads to symptoms vomiting, drowsiness. If pH more than 7.45, it leads to muscle weakness and fatigue. Fourth point, because increasing acidity is through to have a range of possibly harmful consequences such as depressing metabolic rate and immune response in some organisms and causing coral bleaching. Students, look at the page number 33 from the textbook. Okay, start. To avoid the negative powers of H plus concentration in dilute acid and base solutions, Sorensen introduced the concept of pH. Due to this pH concept may be restricted for solutions of H plus less than 1 molar. The pH scale is from 0 to 14. The pH is an indicator of the concentration of H plus. For example, at a pH of 0, the hydronium ion concentration is 1 molar. Typically, the concentration of H plus in water in most solutions fall between a range of 1 pH equal to 0 and 10 to the power of minus 14 molar pH equal to 14. So, depicts the pH scale with common solutions. Now, observe the pH scale values. pH value of battery acid 0, pH value of gastric fluid 1.1, pH value of carbonated beverages 2.2, pH value of lemon juice 2.1, pH value of pure rain H2O in equilibrium with the atmosphere CO2 5.3, the pH value of orange juice 3.3, pH value of beer 4.1, pH value of coffee 4.4, pH value of egg yolks 5.3, pH value of freshly distilled water 7, pH value of milk 6.3, pH value of blood 7.2, pH value of baking soda NaHCO3 solution 8.1, pH value of household ammonia NH3 11.2, pH value of milk of magnesia MgOH2 10.3, pH value of household bleach Na2CO3 solution 12.4, pH value of household line NaOH solution 13.3. Let us do the home assignment, learn and practice. First question. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose contain hydrogen but not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. This is the 4 marks question. What is the neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. So this is the 2 marks question. Third question. What happens when an acid or base is mixed with water? So this is the 2 marks question. And fourth question. Why does tooth decay start when the pH of mouth is lower than 5.5? This is 2 marks question. So total 10 marks questions. Thank you, my dear children.